Hi, I'm Tony from Yacht Controller and the Yacht Group, and today's video snippet is to talk about one of the great features that the new Maximo series Yacht Controller system offers. Today we'll talk about the spectrum analyzation of your system, and we'll get right to it from the helm.
And today's insert is to talk to you about one of the great features that the Maximo and Supremo series offers. We have a built-in spectrum analyzer. This spectrum analyzer will allow for radio frequency bandwidth modifications with remote capabilities to access for real-time customer service. And I'll demonstrate that. So as you see here, this is our test radio analyzer. Right now, we're in an area with perfect transmission. There is no interruption within either of the two frequencies and the multiple channels that we offer. I'm going to simulate a signal interruption because in today's world, let's face facts. There's a lot of wireless transmissions, there's a lot of Bluetooth transmissions, but even more so, there's a lot of broad bandwidth transmissions that's out there. So as you see here on the screen, we have the test radio spectrum analyzer. And as you're seeing, we have optimal configuration where you have no signal interruption, you have great clear control, you have great clear connectivity amongst the two frequencies within the multiple channels. So I'm going to simulate a signal interruption, which is unlikely, but I'll still simulate it. So as you see here, this is a complete breakdown in connectivity. This would be worst case scenario and probably virtually unlikely. This could be maybe a Coast Guard station, some sort of a military base that is broadcasting some sort of a strong signal. Whereas you can tell here, even though despite this strong signal interruption, you still have connectivity, as you see where you have complete redouts, but you'll have whiteouts in between, where you're actually still connecting with the remote. We can now go in and make these adjustments to then readjust the frequency decibels for the received signal strength indicator to be improved. And I'll simulate that here. As you see here, the adjustment to the frequency decibels via the received signal strength indicator, we've now cleared the path and we've now improved that signal communication protocol. This real-time customer service is found only in the Yacht Controller.